Hi viewers and my dear students, welcome to the online classes. Good morning to everybody. So, today discuss about the 9th class mathematics 4th chapter part 2. What is the 4th chapter name? Lines and angles. Lines and angles. So, this chapter is very interesting. When your first basic points keep your minds, easily work out the sums. So already first part I have completed 17 subtopics. I think 17 themes I have completed. Now discuss about the 3 themes important, that is ascent angles. Ascent angles. So how to define the ascent angles, guys? Please, you take it that see this model OA OB. So you know that OA is a initial ray, OB is a terminal ray. Here form of OC, one more line in between. So this is a angle AOB, AOC. What is the middle term? O is the middle of this angle, x degrees. BOC, what's BOC? Its middle term y. In the two angles, it's between the same arc, same arm. OC is a common arm. OC is a common arm. Is it clear? And these all common arm and rays all are intersect one point, that is a common point. That common point is called a common vertex. Common vertex. So this type of angles and x degrees and y degrees are called a ascent angle. These angles are side by side angles. How to define these angles? So if any two angles have common arm and common vertex x is there, the two angles are called ascent angles. The two angles are called ascent angles. Is it clear? So complements are called ascent angle or not? It's adjust or not adjust. So complementary and supplementary, sometimes is adjust or ascent angle, sometimes not adjust. Okay, next one, linear pair. Linear pair. It's important. I draw the one diagram. See guys, A, O, B, C. Here the angle x degrees, here angle is called y degrees. Guys, see, OA, you know that OA is equal to initial ray, OB is equal to terminal ray, but in this between one common arm is there. These all points are form one common vertices. Here the form of two angles, angle AOC and angle BOC. This is x degrees and this is equal to y degrees. So what these angles already have completed the ascent angles. So it is called ascent angles, no problem. But the sum of two angles, angle OAC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. That means x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Definitely it is called a linear pair. So supplementary is always definite form of the linear pair, but all linear pairs not a supplementary. Is clear? Which one situation you get that x plus y degrees is 180 degrees, that angles are called a supplementary angles. Is it clear? Next one, guys, see, transverse. Guys, please once see, I draw that in intersecting lines L, M. The two lines are intersect at one point O. So this is name, this line's names A, B, C, D. Guys, see, observe AOC, it's form one of the angle. This angle equal to this BOD. This means x degrees, this one is also x degrees. That type of angles is called a vertically opposite angles. So vertical opposite angles position equality. So this is y degrees, this is also x degrees, this is also x degrees. Come this side, this is the y degrees, this one is also y degrees. This is also called a vertical angles, vertically opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles are equal. So this one finish. Next one, very important guys, please, it is very important point. This is L, M. The two lines, you know, that non-intersecting lines. So one good name is their parallel lines. I draw the one more line. That line intersect the two lines, two distant points. Two distant points. One is A, another one is B. This is a T. The two distant points, the two lines to make that 8 angles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles. You know that's in the 7th class standard actually. Once remember that. Guys, just I have come to the vertical points. So 1 and 3 are called vertical points, vertical opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles. What the position this one? Equal. So what are the vertical angles in this position? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Is finished. This oppose vertically, this vertically, this vertically, this is finish. Next one, alternative angles. Alternative angles. Alternate angles position is also equal, guys. How to define the alternate angles? I write that one more diagram. See, this is one of the seat. Guys, this is L, M, N. So 1 angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, actually in these 8 angles, some are internally, some are externally. First you find out the internally and externally. Internally angles. And externally. Angles. Guys, see, internally angles is angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. External angles outside, except these numbers. Internally angles except, remaining all are that externally. Yes, guys? Okay. See this, guys, please. L, M, this T. Here see form internal angle is 3 and external angle is 6. What this position? These positions are opposite side of transverse. The two angles are internally, one is upside, another one is downside. That type of angles is called a vertically opposite angle. As come to the main diagram, in this complete main diagram, what is the opposite? Vertically opposite angle, angle 4, angle 6, vertically opposite angle internally. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6 equal. This side angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. These two are the alternative angles, not vertical opposite, alternative angles. Sorry, these two are the alternative angles. The same thing you apply here. See, guys. Here 1 and 7, 1 is a exterior angle, 7 is a exterior angle. This 1 and 7 is position, the two are other side of the transverse, one is ups and is down. So that type of is called a alternative angles. That alternative angles are externally, the externally alternative external angles are also equal. That means angle 1, angle 7 is alternative angles are externally. So alternate external angles are equal. Angle 2, angle 8 is also alternate external angles are equal. So this is the interior. Next one, angle 1 is equal to angle 7, angle 2 is equal to angle 8. These are externally. Alternative external angles are equal, alternative interior angles also equal. Clear? So vertical opposite angles are equal. Clear? Next one, final touch, corresponding angles. Corresponding. Corresponding angles. Please guys, please observe. This is the L, M, I draw the transverse T. Here form makes some angle, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. This is a 5. So leave it this all, just this one compare. Angle 1, angle 5, what type of angle? Guys, you observe the same side of the parallel lines and the transverse. Transverse same side and parallel lines also same side, L up, M up. These type of angles are called a corresponding angles. Here angle 2 is angle 6. These are called corresponding angles. Now see angle 3 and here angle 7. These are the corresponding angles. Angle 4, angle 8. These are the corresponding angles. Now you apply this main diagram. Here this case, what is the corresponding angles? Angle 1, angle 5. So the corresponding angles, what the position? Equal position. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Next one, angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. It's finished. Now close it. Angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 3 equal to angle 7. Is it clear? So vertical opposite angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Please guys, you are comparing this. That's main important. How to compare? Which one is the vertical angles? Which one is the alternate interior angles? Which one is the alternate exterior angle? So corresponding angles. You are comparing main important. These all are the basic points. Now work out some sums. Please be ready. Okay. Right. Page number 80 page. Theorem 4.1. Yes, your higher standards guys. You are promoted 8th to 9th. Definitely this 9th class textbooks maximum part is geometry part. So be careful. If two lines intersect each other, then the pairs of vertically opposite angles, those formed are equal. Yes guys, this one is the theorem. 8th class standard is not their theorems. 9th class will be start the theorems according to your maths. Theorems is a definitely first you write the statement, next one you draw the diagram, next one you write that statement. First one is a statement, keep these points. Second one is a diagram. So third one is a given. Next one, RTP. Which one your proof required to proof? Fifth one is a proof. Sometimes is need construction. So these points keep your mind. One is this, the 5 points keep your mind. So theorem, first one need statement, second one need must and should to relate the diagram of the statement. The third one, what is the given in the statement, that you write the given. Fourth one, which one you have proved it, that's one required to prove. If some diagrams or some theories are needed of the construction, definitely you draw a construction. Some theories are not needed. So fifth one, the last one is a proof. So already statement is given. First your statement read. If two lines intersect each other, what type of the two lines? Intersecting lines. Definitely the intersecting lines are intersect one point. So then the pair of vertically opposite angles, those are formed equal. You are prove that the vertical opposite angles are equal or not equal, prove it. Come to the point. First statement is over. Next one, diagram. So I draw the diagram. See, two lines. Suppose this line is A, B. The next one line is A, C, D. These two lines are intersect one point. That point is O. Next, this one is over. Next, you write that given. Right? Given. So OA, AB line and CD line are intersecting lines. So the two lines intersect at O. Is it clear? Next, you prove that. What you prove? That vertically opposite angles you prove that. Here what is the vertically opposite angle? Angle AOC, it's form one vertical angle, here form of another vertical angle. So this is called vertically opposite angles. That's names angle AOC equal to angle BOD. That's one. Another one, COD, BOC equal to AOD. So these are called vertically opposite angles. You show that that's one equality. So RTP. Its construction is need, it's no need. Its construction no need. So leave it. So proof. Yes guys. How to the proof this one? Guys, please see. I take it that AB line segment, it is a OC. It's what type of this one? Just I draw the rough diagram, guys. Please see. This is A, O, C, B. This is 1. C. Already I have completed the basic points. Immediately strike out that's one, guys, please. So it's form one of the angle. This is form one of the angle. The sum of two angles is equal to, you know that, 180 degrees. Why? It is a linear pair. It's a linear pair. So angle OAB, it's what type of angle? This is a straight line. Angle AOB is a straight line. That means angle AOB is equal to 180 degrees. Angle AOB divides two parts, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. Equation 1. So guys, see, I take it this time. How? See, that's names. This is a D, this is a C, this is a O, this is a B. It's formed, this is one of the angle, this side is one of the angle. Now angle COD is a straight line. So straight line makes the angle is equal to 180 degrees. So it's divides two parts, angle COB plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. Equation 2. Guys, you guess it? You observe the equation 1 and equation 2 from 1 and 2. This is a 180 degrees, this is 180 degrees. That's why these two are equal or not equal? Equal. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle COB plus angle BOD. Guys, it's from one new equation. You observe clearly, angle BOC, angle COB both are the same. Check it in this diagram. COB, BOC, both angles same, guys. This side or this side, both sides same. So that's why these two are the cancel. What remaining here? Therefore, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. See in this, observe in this diagram, angle AOC, this angle, angle BOD, this angle. So what type of this angle? Vertical angles. The vertical angles are in the sign. What the sign is there? Equal sign. So vertical opposite angles are equal or not equal? As you have proved it, this vertical opposite angles are equal. Similarly, that side angle BOC equal to AOD, angle AOD. So that means vertically opposite angles are equal, hence proved. Yes, is it tough? It's very easy. First, the basic points keep your mind, guys. The maths is very easy. Okay, clear? Is clear? Okay. Okay. Right. Page number 81. Page number 81. Example 3, guys. In the adjacent figure, AB bar is a straight line. Straight line. Find the values of x and also find angle AOC, angle COD and BOD. Yes, I draw the one diagram. Already this diagram is given in your textbook. So these angles. So AOB, this angle is equal to x degrees. This angle is equal to 2x minus 19 degrees. This angle is equal to 3x plus 7 degrees. Okay, guys, see, very easy question, guys. Already the adjacent figures AB is a straight line. Immediately strike out. The straight line make the angle is equal to 180 degrees. The straight line divides different angles. These rays are different angles are there. Suppose this rays is equal to P, this rays is equal to Q. OP and OK is divides that straight line different angles. So indirectly means the sum of these angles equal to 180. So that why you find out x value. Now come to the point AOC COD. Okay, these points are solution. Given AB is a straight line. Okay, guys. So straight line make the angle is equal to 180 degrees. That means straight line make the angle is 180 degrees. This point keep your mind, don't forget. So from the figure, the straight lines device different angles from the figure. So that means angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOB is equal to 180. This one, angle AOC, COD and COB, these angles. So from the figure, this angle 3x plus 7, this angle 2x minus 19, this angle x degrees is equal to 180. So in this equation, LHS part some x terms is there, 3x, 2x, x. Thus all signs are positive should be added. 3x plus 2x, 5x, 5x plus x, 6x, so 6x degrees. Now see, this number should be added. Wait, this is a positive sign, this is a negative sign. So that's one. Which one is the greatest number in this two? 19. That what the sign? Negative sign. 19 minus 7. So 19 minus 7, anybody bowl? 12 equal to 180. Okay, next one. So this is minus 12 that side plus 12. So 6x degrees is equal to 180 degrees plus 12. So 6x is equal to 180 degrees plus 12, add it 192 degrees. So 192 degrees. You want x value. So 6 is sent that side is a division by 6. So 6 how many times? 3 6 are 18, 1 2 times 12. So directly 6 is how many times is cancelled? 32 degrees. What is the indicator of the x angle? X degrees angle? Angle BOD. Therefore angle BOD is x degrees is equal to 32 degrees. Is it clear? But sum is not over. You have find out angle AOC and angle BCOD and BOD. Now come to the point, angle AOC. AOC. What is the angle AOC from the figure? AOC. This one angles. Yeah. So 3x plus 7. Already find out the x value. How much? 32 degrees. So 3 of 32 degrees plus 7. So 6 9 plus 7. So 103 degrees, guys. 103 degrees. Next one, BOD. Angle BOD, guys. See the figure BOD. BOD is already finished. COD. BOD angle is x degrees, that's already finished. Leave it. Angle COD. COD, see the figure. From the figure, the COD angle is equal to 2x degrees minus 90 degrees. So 2 of x obtained. What the x value? 32. You get that x value is 32. 32 minus 90 degrees. So 230 is a 64 minus 90 degrees. So 64 minus 19. You bar 14. 14 minus 9. 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. 45 degrees. Is it clear? So this sum is over. Okay guys, thank you watching for my video.